Hey, what's up? I'm Mike from BenderTube, and welcome to the first episode of the Tech Tour.
If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and click for notifications so you don't miss out on anything.
In this series, we're going to go room by room and look at the tech I use on a daily basis. Now, from there, we're going to break it down. We're going to do individual reviews, use case scenarios, tips and tricks to get everything working together, and even some smart routines that I implemented to make my life a little bit more comfy. Now, I do have a few rules I stick to when picking out smart tech. Number 1, don't talk about Fight Club. 2, don't talk about Fight Club. 3, if it's your first night at... Wait, that's not right. Number 1, it has to have integration with some other system, whether that be Amazon's Assistant, the Google Assistant, Siri, or Samsung SmartThings. It can't just be stuck to its own app. Number 2, there has to be redundancy built into this. If the internet goes out but the power is still on, I need a way to access the system, whether that be a physical button or some other system like Samsung SmartThings. Number 3, it has to make my home safer, improve my quality of life, or at the very least, make some kind of daily task easier to do. And lastly, number 4, rules 1 and 2 can be broken if I think the product's worth it. Now, we are gonna dive deep throughout this series, and there's a lot to go through. I'm not gonna be able to cover every piece of tech or smart routine. That's why it's really important that you guys hit me up on Twitter or down in the comment section during these room tours to let me know what tech you want to talk about or what smart routines and home integrations you want me to walk you through. Now, we are going to start with the living room, but before I get into that, I kind of want to show you the backbone of this whole thing, which is, for me, conveniently located right here in my entertainment center. Now, first up, you'll see I have the basics, a Netgear Nighthawk router, an Aris modem, and a 16-port gigabit switch. No surprises here, just the stuff to keep me connected and on the internet. From there, though, you see the Phillips Hue bridge, which controls all my Phillips Hue bulbs and accessories. After that is the Samsung SmartThings hub, which controls basically everything in here with a couple exceptions. Now, if you are interested in picking up anything that I've talked about today, I'll of course have links down in the description below. And that's it for me today, guys. If you found the video helpful, if you liked it in any way, leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.